don't need all the information about Forex trading before you can become a successful Forex trader. This is why I always advise people to stick to whatever strategy that works for them. You only need one trading strategy that gives you consistent profitable results on daily basis, okay? And that is you only need to work on in order for you to become a successful forex trader, okay? And this is exactly what I am talking about. You can see a result like this. This is the kind of results you get when you master a single strategy that gives you consistent profitable results on daily basis. You can imagine coming in at here, around here, and of course till this very moment, milking all the TPs right from here. This is on H1, and here is another chart again. You can imagine this is our entry point, guys. This is our entry point, and we milked it to the very end like this. And here is another one. This is another entry point, and we milked it to the end. This is what we call consistency in trading activities. Okay, so if you have that single strategy, that unique trading strategy that is giving you consistent results like this, then you don't need any other forex trading training again. All you just need to do is just to focus on that strategy that is working for you. And if you don't have any, sit tight and watch this video to the end, because right here I will reveal to you how I generate profitable signals like this so that you too can also benefit from it and also get the best out of it. But before I do that, guys, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. You can also join my Telegram channel, because right there I give out free trading signals on daily basis. And of course, I also share free trading ideas which you too can also benefit from. Okay, so the link is there in the in the description box below this video, and I will try as much as possible to pin it down to the comment section so that you can easily have access to it. Okay, so and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Now let's go straight into what we have right there, and we're going to check out these three assets one after the other. But first, let me explain the same strategy which I have been using to generate a signal like this. Okay, so the strategy which I have been using is actually called the trend trading strategy. And if we all understand forex trading very well, we will know that there is something called trend, okay, in forex trading. And all I just decided to do is just to make my work very simple. Okay, so all I just need to do is just to follow the trend. Okay, guys, let me tell you this story. I love swimming very well, but there was a particular time I decided to swim in a village river, and I realized that it was difficult to swim against the current. Okay, so instead of you swimming against the current, why don't you swim alongside with the current? It makes it very easy, and in short, it makes it looks like you are not even doing anything at all. You are not even putting any effort into it at all. That is what trend trading activities is all about. Okay, so if you understand the trend trading strategy, then you will know what it means to swim alongside with the current. All you just need to do is just to follow the trend and package it up with some other things in order for you to remove the emotion from your trading activities. And that is all, guys. That is all. When I noticed this, I've been using this same strategy on daily basis for over a year, and we've been getting consistent results. I even built a trading indicator on this. That is how beautiful it is. So I don't need to bother myself trying to analyze the assets or to identify the trend. Once I open my chart like this, I can easily say the exact trend of the market, of the asset at that particular time. So it makes it very easy for me. Okay, now this is what I do. Each time I go into a trade or I try to trade, all I just need to do is just to open my chart, and my indicator will let me know if the market is on uptrend and or on downtrend. So I need to know the current trend of the market first, and that is what my indicator has actually helped me to do. Because after that, once I am able to identify the current trend, I try to see if the trend is still good enough for me to go into. Okay, if it has gone too far, okay, I wait for it to get to where it can switch from that current trend to a new trend. And two things can actually happen at those places. It is either there is a breakout or there is a switch. Okay, so if there is a breakout, it means that it will continue with the current trend. And of course, if there is no breakout, definitely it will switch from that current trend into a new trend. So that is how easy it is. So this particular setup, which we had on Gainx 1200, I'm on H1 right now. For Gainx 1200, this is H1 time frame. Okay, we actually got this setup few days ago, over a week right now. And of course, we started the setup from 15-minute time frame, but when I came back on 1 hour time frame, I realized that we have free space here, which we will. We are most likely to milk if things work out in our direction. Okay, so what did I do? I first of all gave us a setup that will match up with this support region, and I now added all that TPs to it below it, that in case it breaks out from there, then definitely we will achieve all these TPs too. So this is the instruction I actually gave. Okay, if all the TPs have been matched, make sure you leave one order open and make sure you secure your profit, some part of the profit for that order, using your stop loss, by dragging the stop loss down to lock up about 60 to 70% of your profit of that single order. So let's see how this actually works out. Okay, we actually came in at this point, gave our stop loss right here, and of course, TP1 achieved successfully, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and TP4 achieved. And now this actually broke out from the support zone. Okay, because I kept on giving updates, people came to my DM to ask for how they can still benefit from this. And I realized that these are the people that didn't start with us right from the beginning. So I had to come up with a possible entry point for them at this point. Of course, we've already achieved our necessary TPs, which we are supposed to achieve, just that we are waiting for it to break out from here. So I quickly gave them this setup, and of course it got activated. So more TPs were achieved for those that started with us right from the beginning. But for those that just joined around here, so they had this TP 1, 2, 3, 4 achieved, even 5 achieved. The fifth one has just been achieved. As at yesterday, it was just 4, but right now the fifth one has been achieved. So we are waiting for the last TP. Okay, guys, now let's look at those that started from the beginning. This is what they have achieved. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. Within the TP4 and TP5 is actually a big um profits, which we actually realize around there, because it is a long journey from year to year. Okay, so TP5 also achieved, TP6 achieved, TP7 achieved, TP8 achieved, and now TP9 has been achieved. So we are waiting for TP10 to be achieved. This is how beautiful this trading strategy can be. Okay, this is how beautiful. That is why I told you guys that go and learn this trend trading strategy, understand it very well, practice with it on your demo account very well, make sure you master it very well before you now start trying it out on your real account. Once you understand this, then you are most likely to be milking the market on daily basis with this same strategy. And of course, if it's not going to go our direction, that is why we always have our stop loss. Like I always tell you in all my videos, okay, make sure for each of the orders you are trading, there is a stop loss created for those orders too. Okay, so this is very, very important because we don't have the full control of the market, but we know this strategy works. And of course, we have some other instructions which we need to follow in order to make it perfect. Okay, and that is, I mean, one of the instructions is just setting stop loss for each of the order, because if these decide to go the other way around and break out from the resistance zone, then it will get to our stop loss and it will reduce the amount we are going to lose from the market in case they decide to go the other way around. Okay, and of course, probably we might just be losing like $5 or even less than that from the capital we are having, depending on our lot size. Okay, and this is how this works. And do you know the beautiful thing about this? Okay, one thing I love about this is that it also works on synthetic indices. I'm using it right now on GainX 1200, and this is synthetic indices, which means it does not even work on currency currency pairs alone. Okay, it works on currency pairs, it works on gold, it works on all the assets. So I'm using it on synthetic indices, and the beautiful thing is that synthetic indices can be traded 24/7. So which means even if those that are trading currency pairs are unable to trade over the weekend, okay, we are still milking the market on weekends. And that is the beautiful thing about it, and that is why I am trading these synthetic indices, so that I can make more money for myself. So you too can also look into that. Of course, make sure you go with the assets you are comfortable with. Okay, personally, I'm enjoying my synthetic indices. This is GainX 1200. Let's check out another asset. This is GainX 999. This is GainX 999. And of course, just the way we are seeing this, we came in at this point. This is our stop loss. The same strategy, guys, the same strategy. This is where we add the switch. We add the switch at the resistance zone right here, turning from yellow to red. Okay, and it's from a resistance zone. This is our stop loss, and this is our entry point. Okay, and we have some highlighted TPs also for ourselves. Okay, so you can see TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, 6, 7, 8, and even 9. Okay, all have been achieved, guys. All have been achieved. That is how beautiful it is, guys. That is how beautiful it is. Now let's check out another one. This is PenX 1200. Our entry point, our stop loss. You can see that for each setup I am doing, I always give the entry point and the stop loss. Okay, then here are our TPs: TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, 5, and 6. All have been achieved. The last TP have just been achieved. Okay, so this is how beautiful this can be. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to understand this trading strategy, and you will get it right. The most important thing is for you to know how to identify the current trend of the market, and how to know when the market is switching, because that is when, or the right time for you to jump into the trade. Okay, so if you cannot identify all these, my trading tool can help you identify that. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to set it up on your chart, and you will be able to identify it is on uptrend when it is showing yellow zone like this, it is on downtrend when it is showing red zone like this. And of course, the red arrow signifies a sell signal, the blue arrow signifies a buy signal. But you only obey the blue arrows whenever the market is on uptrend. You only obey the red arrow whenever the market is on downtrend. That is why I said swim alongside with the currents. Okay, it is very easy for you to do that way. So that is it. It is as simple as that. So set up your order at the right place after getting the right signals. Make sure you use your stop loss, and make sure you also highlighted some TPs for yourself so that you don't over trade. Okay, so this is very, very important. And there are some other things which I usually add to my trading activities, which I have explained several times in my videos. For instance, let's say I am having big capital and I want to place 5 orders. Probably I am having 5 TPs right here, and I want to place 5 orders. I come in with my 5 orders at this point, allow my first order to close at my first TP, I allow my second order to close at my second TP, and I do that till I get to the very last. But for those that are not having big capital, you can still do the same thing, just that you will have to create a single order for yourself because you are having a small capital. So your single order, target it at the last TP, and use your stop loss to trade it down to the very end of the trend. Okay, so that is how easy it is. So you guys can enjoy this. And of course, if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section. And if you want to know more about my trading tool, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to join the Telegram channel so that you can also benefit from our free trading signals, which we usually post from on the channel. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.